Remote Trader is a streaming app for stock or crypto exchange data with the opportunity to add rule-based or AI-driven bots. Before the demo, there is a warning. Trading is an act that needs to be done carefully since it can be addictive and you can lose money. Remember, you will see demo bots only that make decisions based on simple rules. These bots work with real-time exchange data, but additional fees and taxes are not calculated. Bots spend virtual money, so losing or winning money during the demo does not make real loss or profit at all. Also remember that past performance is no guarantee of future results. Remote Trader can easily start as any other web application built on AMS. There are two main screens in the application, the main screen and the settings. First of all, let's see what is on the main screen. Remote Trader offers wallet tracking, visualization of bot decisions, opportunity for manual trading, showing graphs for candlestick data, identifying different candlestick patterns, or summarizing different market data. At the moment, the demo use case shows crypto assets, but Remote Trader can manage any exchange data from cryptocurrencies through funds and options to stocks. Users can connect any bots into Remote Trader via API. It does not matter if they are built on simple hardwired rules or AI. In the settings, user can connect their wallet managers, bots, and exchange data. All of them work with API since a lot of traders use cloud-based or local scripts to trade. These solutions usually are written in Python or C++, where creating API callbacks are really easy. Our target audience is people who make crypto or stock trades with bots. Remote Trader is able to show stock data only, but this feature is available on other services. The unique selling point of Remote Trader is connecting data from trading bots via API and mixing them with the exchange data. Trading is not a lonely act. There are three main use cases where publicity is essential. The first one is teaching when someone demonstrates possible trading actions or candlestick patterns. Secondly, traders can validate their profits or trades through streaming because building or training a sophisticated trading bot needs a lot of time, energy, and knowledge. Some bot traders are really proud of their own effort, that's why they share the results with the world gladly. Last but not least, some people try to trade simultaneously to distort the exchange rate, just like happened earlier in some Reddit channels. This is Remote Trader. Please support us. Thank you.